Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix charger port not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. So when it comes to fixing the charger port not working, first thing you want to make sure is that there's no dust, lint, or debris that are stuck in that charging port. So take something pointy that's non-metal, of course, and then try to pick at it. If you have a flashlight, also take a look at it in the daylight. You'll be able to see that over time what happens is whenever it's on your pocket or you're just walking around using it, over time it's natural for it to just collect a lot of dust and dirt. I just want to make sure you clean it out by just picking at it, and you should see a lot of stuff come out. That's going to prevent the charging to happen. Now another thing to also consider is that if you recently got it wet or charged, basically anything that got wet, liquid, it will prevent the charging. So you want to let it kind of dry out. Do not just go ahead and straight into charging as well. Just give it some time. Another thing to also consider, it's going to be your charging cable and block. So if you recently, or if you have using a cable or charger, sometimes they get defective. You want to go ahead and make sure that it works with another device, and also the wall adapter as well. Sometimes these things can go defective, either the cable or the wall adapter or both at the same time. So if you see that it's not working on another iPhone, most likely you need to get those replaced as well. And it could just well be the charger that's not working instead of the charger port. And another thing to also consider, it's going to be using a different wall outlet, especially if you're using one, maybe it's not working on that one. That just could be due to that wall adapter that you have isn't good anymore. So you might need to change that out as well. And then another thing to also consider is that if the phone is extremely hot, you want to let it cool down before charging. And if it's extremely cold, you just want to wait till it's warmed up, because on those extreme temperature, it's not going to charge as well. So finally, now you want to go ahead and do a forced restart on your iPhone. In order to do that, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button just like that. Now the screen is going to come up with a pop-up that says slide to power off, but you do not need to touch that. Simply press and hold until you see the Apple logo appear, just like that, and we'll let go of that side button. Again, what I have done is pressed and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, one after another, finally holding on to that side button until the screen went completely black and the Apple logo appeared. That is known as a forced restart, which shuts down the phone, reloads the code, basically fixing any software related issue that may be causing that charger port just to not work. Now another thing you want to do after that is go into your setting on your iPhone and then go into your battery, and under battery here you want to make sure under where it says charging optimization that if you set a limit to 80%, your phone will not charge past 80%. So it's going to stop it charging. So if you're looking to charge past 80%, you want to go ahead and select either optimized charging or none. That way you can charge up to, if you wanted to charge past 80%, you can, but keep in mind that limit will prevent it from charging after 80%. Also, try to turn this off and then on as well. See if that helps. Sometimes, as you can see, clean energy can also be reduced. Maybe it stop charging because that is turned on as well. Now moving on to the next thing you want to do is, of course, like with any issues with the software, you want to go ahead and update the phone software by going to your settings, general, software update, and check if there's an update available. If it is, go ahead and update it right now, so that if you're having issues with the software, it will hopefully fix it for you. And that's it on fixing the charger port not working. I hope these tips help you guys fix your charger port and your phone is able to charge. And the last advice is, if you can't get it to work physically with this charger, but you can also use a wireless charger. Just lay down your phone. If you have a wireless charger, see if you can get it to charge that way. And if that's the case, it might be a defective your charger port, which you need to get replaced. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button. See you guys next time.